here we go. We are looking at the Barnes Vor-Tx in 45 Colt. We'll just a quick look at the similarities and expansion, what to expect with this bullet. This is all at about 50-75 yards. These all actually might be all at 75 yards if I'm not mistaken, but it's a possibility there's one of them that's at 50. We got rice right there. We're going flour. That's into dirt. And then we got, that's water. Water is about the only one that actually came out real significantly different. That's your hollow point right there. If you look, we got 0.2 on the pedals, hitting different things. 1.9. They're all being consistent on what they do. 0.2. Again, 1.9. Folding back the same. If you look from top to bottom, that's 5.7. Then we go top to bottom again, 5.6. Then we go top to bottom again, 5.5. And it went straight. And then if you take the water, the one that's different, and we actually got 5.7 right there. But if you go, and I'm trying to get these ones that up in the air, 6. So that's just showing how consistent it is on doing the same thing. None of the pedals break off. It's a reliable, so far it's shown to be extremely reliable. This is going to try this season to ground check a doe or a spike with it. And I might even do a big buck maybe. Just depends on what's going on. But just showing a quick look at the expansion and the different things. Like I said, we got that is rice, flour, dirt, and water. Everything opens up. I mean, it does the same thing. It's a very consistent bullet. That's all I'm really getting at. I'm turning into a fanboy of these Vor-Tx because they seem to do the same thing. All the other calibers I've shot, they've all been the same. Everything folds up the same. Same length. They stay the same. They're not. It's a very controlled bullet, which is nice. So if you're looking for something for your 45 Colt and you want pretty much the same results every time, try these Vor-Tx out. Definitely you will be impressed with them. They're accurate too on the grouping as well. So I have no complaints with these right here. So there you go. That is just a quick look for y'all. Nothing special, nothing more. Just checking the expansion. Thanks for watching.